share with you the next topic in the parts of speech, that is adverb. What is an adverb? Adding something to the verb, modifying the verb, qualifying the verb is called as an adverb. Now what are verbs? Verbs are action words. As we already saw, there are 24 auxiliaries, 9 modals, 11 primary auxiliaries and 4 semi-modals or quasi-modals. Now the verbs are adding something to the verb, describing a verb, modifying a verb is called as an adverb. Now there are different types. Actually you must know adverbs are very talented words. Okay, you have lot of words where you can express everything over there. For example, when I say often, moreover, therefore, regularly, okay, then you say lovely and you say loudly, all these are called as adverbs. Now usually you say the words which end in ly is called as an adverb, but that doesn't mean correct, because all words which end in ly are not said to be adverb. For example, when I say loudly, that's an adverb, but when I say lovingly, though it ends in ly, it's not an adverb, it's an adjective. And when I say friendly, again, that is also not an adverb, it's an adjective. So when I talk about loudly or rarely or regularly, these are called as adverbs. There are different types of adverbs. Okay, the first type is the adverb of manner. What is the adverb of manner? I speak loudly. That loudly talks about the mannerism of how I speak. So that is adverb of manner. Then the next one is adverb of degree. I really like cakes. So that really talks about the adverb of degree. When I talk about place and time, I go to school every day. I often go to school. That talks about frequency. I often go to school. I go to school every day. That talks about the frequency. The children sit there in the park every day. The children sit there in the park every day talks about the time and the place. So this is adverb. So adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of place, adverb of time and adverb of frequency. As I already gave you a very important point, all words that end in ly doesn't seem to be adverbs. For example, I said lovingly and friendly. And other than an adverb answers the question how, where, when and why. It answers the question how, where, when and why. Now when you go with the sentence pattern, adverb and adjunct, subject, verb, object, complement, adjunct in sentence pattern. Adjunct and adverb goes together and adjective and complement goes together. I think you would have seen what's an adjective. So adjective and complement goes together. Adjective describes a noun. Complement also talks about a noun. Similarly, adverb is adding something to the verb. Adjunct is something where you answer the question how, where, when and why. It talks about again the verb. So it goes together. So the types of adverbs are manner, degree, place, time, frequency. Thank you all. I hope you would have enjoyed the class.